Hello everyone, welcome to part 222 of Advanced E-commerce Series in Laravel 8. So we will continue working on the newsletter subscriber feature that we have started in last few videos. We able to do this functionality at the front end. You can check that we able to register. The user can able to subscribe from here. Okay, like amit1000@yahoo.com, he can subscribe. Thanks for subscribe message is coming, and we can check in its table and can check that the user able to subscribe. And the if the user will try again, then the subscriber email already exists, error message is coming, and this all we have done in Ajax. Okay, so now is the time to view this in admin panel. So we will start working on the admin panel. We are going to show all the newsletter subscribers, the all the emails of the subscribers at the admin panels, from where the admin can able to export as well. Okay, make them active and inactive. So let's log in into the admin panel first of all, and admin.com, password is 12356, and here at the bottom we are going to add its link newsletter subscribers. Okay, like I have told you, we are going to show all the subscribers there along with the active inactive feature and along with the delete functionality, and later on we will also give the export functionality as well, so that the client can able to export the list of the newsletters and can use that list for sending the newsletter to the customers via the third party. Okay, so we first of all going to update, uh, sorry, we remove, okay, going to update admin sidebar. So this is my folder, ecom6 folder, and we're going to update the admin sidebar here at the bottom, in the same way like we have updated this exchange request. Okay, so in the same way we are going to update here the newsletter subscriber. Okay, so I'm going to make it newsletter subscriber like this. Okay, so here we are going to make it newsletter subscribers. Okay, so here we are going to add here newsletter subscriber. We're going to make the link as newsletter subscriber like this, newsletter subscribers. Okay, so here we can check once, you can see newsletter subscribers link is there, but we need to do its functionality. We first of all we are going to create the newsletter controller at the front. We are already having the newsletter controller at the admin, and if you will check app http controllers front, here you can see newsletter controller is already there at the front, but we need to create in the admin as well. Okay, so I will right click on my project folder, new terminal folder. Here I will run one command, php artisan make controller, and we are going to make this controller under admin newsletter controller. Okay, so we are going to check once if we, here you can see in admin as well as in front. Okay, so we have now created inside admin. Okay, so now we are going to create its route as well, and we are going to create this route in the admin this time. Okay, and after exchange route, we are going to add its route, and I will write here newsletter subscribers. Okay, so here I'm going to add its get route to display all the newsletter subscribers. Okay, here newsletter controller, and here newsletter subscribers will come subs. It's fine. Okay, so it seems to be fine. So now we are going to create this function, newsletter subscribers function. Inside here we are going to create its function, sorry, public function. We will create on public function newsletter subscribers like this, and here we will get all the newsletters. I will the variable like newsletter underscore subscribers to get all the newsletter from the newsletter subscriber model that we have created in last video, last to last video maybe. Okay, same newsletter subscriber model we can use at the front and the admin panel. It's not like the controller that we need to create separately for front and admin. We can simply get and use to array. Okay, we can check once whether the newsletter subscribers we able to fetch or not. Okay, so here we also require to add its model, and if the model is located directly inside app folder, then we will write like this. Otherwise, if you have started the project in Laravel 7 and 8, then we can do like this. Okay, check your model where it is located. Okay, so now I am going to refresh once and see all the newsletter subscribers are coming up here, so that's fine. Okay, so now we need to return this newsletter to the newsletter subscribers page file that we are going to create. Okay, so we do return view. Under admin we will create one folder, subscribers. Under subscribers we will create one file, newsletter underscore subscribers. Okay, and we are going to return this newsletter subscribers there like this. Fine. So now we are going to check it once. Okay, so now we need to create this newsletter subscriber grid file inside resources, views, admin. Here inside admin we will create one folder, subscribers. Okay, and under subscribers we will create one file that in Mac we will create like touch, and then the file name newsletter subscribers dot blade dot php. If you are in Windows, then you know how to create the file. Okay, just right click in Windows. I think you can create the notepad file first and then rename that file to this name. Okay, there are many ways to do in Windows, and here in Mac we can create this file by touch command. Okay, so once it has been created, then we can put here like from another blade file, like from currencies we can put everything from here to here and then can make changes. We will get the view also. Okay, so we are going to make all the changes here, like newsletter subscribers must come everywhere, and we can check here as well. Okay, currencies subscribers. Yeah, here we have like we will give here first we are going to replace newsletter subscribers, and here see we will get the id email and subscribed on, very few fields, subscribed on, and last one is actions. Okay, so here it will come like subscriber once again. We can put this change everywhere. Okay, subscriber. See, this one is not required, but we can use it later for export. Okay, we will just give its link like this. Okay, we will not do anything right now. Okay, later on we can use this for export. Okay, So this one newsletter subscriber ID. So we have in array. So here we will use the array. Okay, so here we are going to put it like this: ID subscriber. Here we need to correct. This is the email, and here greater add date will come, and date also. See, date we can give in another format like in return request and another date files. We have this format of date so that it will be more user friendly, so that we can copy from here. Here we can make the change subscriber. Okay, so now this one, here we can make it subscriber as well. Here this one, edit functionality is not required, only delete and status is required, but we can first give the status, and after that we can give the delete. Okay, now we can check once whether the data is coming here or not. Okay, so let's try once, refresh. Here is some error. Okay, that is coming because we are having the array. So this one we need to replace, or we can simply replace this one. It will come like this because we have used the array, and also this one we need to change like this. Okay, so now we are going to check once. See, we have the newsletter subscribers, these two newsletters, two subscribers we have registered so far. Okay, one we have registered today, one earlier, so you can check email and subscribe one is coming fine. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you that we have left with this uh, table that is used as a data table. Okay, so we will make sure that we use this data table, and where its jQuery lies, we need to add this ID as a data table ID. I am going to check here like resources, views, layouts, admin layout. Okay, so we are going to check admin layout here. Okay, so here we can see that we are using this data table. So here we need to add this one like newsletter subscribers. We need to add here so that the normal table can convert to the data table. Okay, so see here what is the difference between the table and the and here for every feature, like for exchange request we forget to add the data table, for return request we forget to add the data table, for ratings we forget to add, for currencies we forget to add, for shipping charges we still have no data table. You can check here. Okay, so we need to add the data tables. Here we have added the data table. Okay, from the shipping charges to everywhere we need to add the data table. Okay, so you can add this at your end. Okay, this is the minor change. So here in newsletter subscribers we can see this is the data table, where it will be easier, like if we are searching from some particular email, it will be easier to find up. Okay, so now we are going to work on the this status and delete functionality for the newsletter subscriber. Okay, so first of all we are going to check here admin script is now required. Okay, so we are going to first work on the active inactive, and for that we are going to add its route like we have done earlier as well. Many routes we have added, I am going to show you like this one, update current status. So same kind of route we are going to add here, like update we can add the route like update subscriber status. Okay, so we can simply give update subscriber status, and here we are going to add the another function in a newsletter controller, and that will be called as update subscriber status. Okay, update subscriber status. Okay, so this new function we are going to add there, and function also we can copy from anywhere because we will not do anything from scratch. We can copy from the currency controller. Here you can see this one, update currency. So we can simply copy to this one, and now we can able to use. I'm going to close the files that we are not required right now. Okay, so uh, so we are going to check, this is the update subscriber status, and we can use it like this, update subscriber status, and here instead of currency subscriber will come up subscriber. Okay, so now only thing that is required to update here admin script. Okay, so now see here, we are going to add here update shipping status. After that we are going to add update subscriber status. Okay, so here after this one we are going to add update subscriber status. Okay, so here this same this one will come. We can also put it like this, update subscriber status, but the main thing is we need to check here uh, what we are using, update subscriber status. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, update subscribers here on the click of update subscriber status class. Okay, these two things, and here instead of shipping id, sorry, shipping id, we are going to use the subscriber id. Okay, and here also subscriber. Now we can check once, refresh and check. Some error is coming. We can check in console what error is coming exactly. Shipping id is still there. We can check in shipping controller line 42. Shipping controller, no, where it is going to shipping controller. Okay, so we need to find out that where we are wrong. Okay, uh, I think here update subscriber status we are using update subscribers. Okay, let's check once. uh, Instead of this one, here must be update subscriber status. Okay, so I think we have done wrong here. I need to do here, but I am doing some silly mistake here. Okay, so be careful when you will work, don't make these silly mistakes. Okay, so we need to update here, not at there. Okay, so here I am going to make this subscriber everywhere, subscriber. Now it must work fine, and make sure the another one is correct, shipping, fine it is, and here subscriber. So now it seems to be fine. Now we can refresh and let's check. Now I'm going to disable. Another error is coming. Let's see, currency. Okay, so it is asking currency not found, but we are not required currency. We just require the newsletter subscriber. We want to update the newsletter subscriber table. Okay, so now refresh once again, and now we are going to check here. See, disable. Yeah, now it is working fine. See, both we have disabled, and here also we can able to check. See, status is 0 for both, so now it is working fine. We can active and inactive. Okay, so now one last thing, we will use the delete feature, and for that also we are going to create one route for deleting the newsletters. Okay, So this one also we can just simply copy its route from some other route, and we can simply give here delete subscriber. And this one also we are going to make its function inside the newsletter controller, and that function name we are going to keep it like the delete subscriber. Okay, and this one also we can copy from somewhere else like currency converter, and here we can copy like delete currency, and we will copy here in newsletter controller, and here we are going to make it delete subscriber this time. Okay, and here also we are going to use this newsletter controller, and here in both places delete subscriber, we can just write delete subscriber has been deleted successfully. So that seems to be fine. Okay, we can refresh, and now we can try deleting the this one. We can try. Are you sure? This one we have the common jQuery function, if you remember, for deleting any of the table data. Okay, so yes, delete it. So let's check. So see, session is missing. Okay, we are going to use here use session, and one more thing we need to use here. I just now it's come in my mind. We need to start that class session we need to give here, and like that is session. Put session, we are going to use page newsletter subscriber. Okay, this one. Now we can refresh, and we can check here that entry has been gone, and this one, see newsletter subscriber we have selected. Okay, so we can add one more from there. If we want to add like if well I will add like rahul at the rate of uofmail.com, and here I am going to subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. And now we are going to check once. Here you can see we able to add. Now see, yes, delete it, otherwise cancel will delete this action. I am going to use now yes, delete it, and you can see subscriber has been deleted successfully. So that is working fine perfectly. Okay, so our page is ready. Newsletter subscriber admin page is ready, from where we can able to check all these subscribers, all the new subscribers. We able to make them disable, make their status active or inactive, and we can delete them as well. Okay, so in next video we are going to work on its export feature to export the complete newsletter subscriber list in CSV file. Okay, so that we can check in Excel, and we can also use that list to send the newsletter via the third party. Okay, third parties. There are many mail third party softwares like Mailchimp and many other that we can use to send the newsletter to our users. Okay, newsletters and other updates, for providing them the updates from time to time. Okay, so that we will see in next video. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.